Good evening, football critics. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Nhlanhla Nhlakzini Mdima, and I am back with another video. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I have a smile on my face. Orlando Pirates winning the Soweto Derby 3-0. Deserved victory. Um, and I don't think any Chiefs fan or whoever fan, whoever you support, I don't think there's anyone ongaphika with the fact ukuthi the scoreline is a reflection of the game. Pirates fully deserved to win their game there. And before this game, Pirates was under a lot of pressure. Like we were under a lot of pressure. Considering our two previous games, losing to Imamelodi Sundowns, which I said that was our most important game we league this season for Orlando Pirates, and we lost the game there. To make things worse, we go on to a weekend to lose against the Kazrik in the Nedbank Cup, and I thought maybe this is the time ukuthi momentum yethu yehle throughout the season, because now we have to face the Kaizer Chiefs. We're playing a Soweto Derby, because you guys know Soweto Derby, anything can happen. Isoweto Derby isikhathi esiningi is 50-50. Like it doesn't go ngeform, yabo, most of the time. But today, Orlando Pirates showed themselves. They showed why they are still title contenders with the performance left. But yeah, let's get into the game. When you look at the game, as I've said, Uguti, by the way the game panned out, 3-0 was a fair reflection. Starting with the Orlando Pirates, I've always said, Uguti, Orlando Pirates needs to play with a balanced midfield in order for them to win a game in a comfortable manner, especially when you're playing against bigger teams. I've always complained ngendaba yakaNemtajela playing with uMakhawula, because I don't think they are balanced. I don't think they complement each other, because I feel like ama-profile wabo are too different. Yabo, uMakhawula is your traditional number 6, your anchor. And uNemtajela, I feel like is always being misprofiled. I don't think uNemtajela is a number 8. Nemtajela is a 10 by the way he plays whenever he's playing, especially Maidlano Makhawula, yabo, because Makhawula, he doesn't take responsibility of playing the ball, yabo. So having Umbatha, who is a natural number 8, Umbatha or Sipho, people who are natural number 8, people who are willing to play a ball. And what I like about Umbatha this season is that he has improved from last season. Last season under Jose Rivero, Pirates played a lot. They didn't play central. They didn't like to play central. They played a lot on the side, yabo, or playing a maleng ball and then badlaling a second ball and try to make something out of your situation there. But this season, that has improved. Umbatha now has improved this season. He's playing the ball a lot more this season, and I feel like into esizayo futhi ngalokho is the profile of players we have right now. When you look at Abo Apolis, we have Abo Apolis now. Wingers who are not wide wingers who love hugging the touchline. They always stay wide, like Abo Salengi. Apolis is willing to go into central positions ancede in those 1-2 touches. So it helps. It sort of like forces Mbatha now to play, because you have a winger now who drops into central positions and then once they play there. So now as a number 8, you feel like you are forced to go to udlala, and we've seen now Mbatha now has the capabilities of udlala. Yeah, well, it helps a lot. Like it helps a lot when in midfield yet is actually playing. Yeah, well, it makes ithi esidlala nayo ukuthi ibe starved because we look more dangerous. We look more organized and more dangerous when we have an actual number 8. Yabo. So credit to coach Uyibona Leon, another player that played really well, and Last time when ngesikhathi select to coach, I was sort of worried ukuthi, "Eish, coach, why now? Why on this game? Yabo against Mamelodi Sundowns. Yabo, izusibelebele. Against Mamelodi Sundowns, I didn't think he particularly had a good game. Mainly because my concerns for him was ukuthi he's a natural winger. Yabo, so he won't have defensive awareness. Yabo, when it's time to defend. There was so many occasions when we played the Sundowns where um they kept on playing Ebola and then there is nowhere to be found on his side. Yabo, even the goal that they scored, yes, I know ukuthi our centre back balalile kulelo goal, but it also came from his side. Yabo, and they were playing Ebola a lot there. But today he was a little bit more disciplined in the sense of ukuthi I have to mark. Yabo, and yo he ucraftile uMike Mamosha uSibelebele. That's why he even got man of the match. Like he played his soul out today. He showed ukuthi he can actually play that right back position. He can actually be disciplined. Yabo, I feel like coach probably had a word with him ukuthi okay, yabona this game you're gonna have to be a little bit more defensively disciplined and defensively sound. Yabo. And what I liked about him, he did the dirty work, but he also did what he's naturally capable of doing, which is, getting the ball, running with it, driving it forward, relieving the pressure of a back. Yabo. And I liked how Yena no CM were functioning defensively, because they kept Upule quiet. Like whenever Upule got the ball, they doubled up on Yen. Like Upule bevela be isolated. Vele bangazi ukuthi kumele enzeni ngebhola, yabo. And then credit to that. Yeah, man, Pirate just got it right today. Ukochi got it right, mainly in the midfield. Like he got it right. I always said ukuthi Coach Wadu has the squad. He has the squad to win izinto eziningi ngale Orlando Pirates. And one thing that he also has is the dressing room. And I like ukuthi he kept on like continuing the momentum that we had from Mo Rivera and build your relationship nama player, yabo. And that's another thing that he got right. The quality and the relationship with the players. Intersele right now is just ukuthi asethe kahle scheme, that's it. Mayisethe kahle scheme, we're winning games. Mayisethe kahle scheme. So credit to Orlando Pirates. With regards to Chiefs, yazi, in the past couple of weeks, especially since the season resumed after AFCON, bengincoma cool defense Chiefs, how well disciplined they are at back and everything. But then I feel like now they are sort of exposed, yabo. And I also look at the midfield yabo. Profiling yama player. Profiling of players is very, very important. Putting players in their positions. When I look at that midfield, the Kaizer Chiefs, uLebogang Maboe, uNkosingphile Ngcobo, and Ethan Chislet, I see players who are sort of similar ngendlela abadlala ngayo, especially uNgcobo benoMaboe. I've sat here and said ukuthi uMaboe, I don't think uMaboe is not an 8, yabo. He's being played as an 8 and yambona ukuthi uyazama ukuyidlala, but naye he doesn't have defensive awareness, yabo. Nkosingphile Ngcobo is an 8, he doesn't have defensive awareness. Ethan Chislet, I don't know whether he looks like he's an 8, but it sort of looks like he's a 10, yabo. But the weird thing about him is that he loves taking side kakhulu. He loves drifting into the wing positions, yabo. And since unaleyo midfield 3, there's no number 10, like an out and out number 10, and there's no number 6, someone who will stick centrally and be disciplined and protect it back 4. So that Kaizer Chiefs defense will always be exposed. And when you're playing against Orlando Pirates, teams who have quality, teams who are always on your face, teams who are always attacking you, Lo defense will be shaky. Yabo. Will be shaky. It will leak ama-goal. Yabo. So I think the Chiefs has a midfield imbalance. Like you're playing two number eights who doesn't have discipline, defending awareness, and you're playing a 10 who I don't know whether he is a 10, he looks like an 8, sometimes he looks like a 10, I don't know, but I don't think Ethan Chislett is a bad player. I've seen him in because I watched him against Stellenbosch as well. He has a good touch. Uyakwazi ukuliphasa ibhola. He seems like umuntu ngempela olazi ibhola, but I think naye I don't think he functions well so far with his teammates, and I don't think he will if he'll play with players who are not naturally in their positions. Yabo, because there was no creativity for the Chiefs today. Abo Lilepo was starved. Abo Fabio Silva, they were starved. Like they didn't get amathuba amaningi. Like the first half, Chiefs didn't even have a shot on target. The first half, Pirates was just super dominant in that first half. No creativity at all. With regards to the Kaizer Chiefs in that. So the Chiefs now they really need to fix that. Another thing I wanted to speak about is that penalty incident. Um, for those, I think most of you saw with the Chiefs after Pirates scored the second goal, but we say Fabio da Silva boxing and referee akazange ayikhombe penalty. Now, in my own personal opinion, I think that was a penalty, but at the same time, I can understand why referee akazange ayikhombe, because when you look at it, yes, Uhoto umshayeli didn't get the ball, he got his ankle, but bobona ukuthi no Fabio da Silva was looking for it too much. Bese sewa vele, yabo, and then the contact came, yabo. But I still do think ukuthi it's a penalty because what by my understanding, a penalty if a player will shayile, and you didn't get the ball and you got the man, then it's a penalty. Yabo, and you can't fully prove ukuthi uFabio da Silva was already falling, but you can fully prove ukuthi uHozo didn't get the ball and he got to Fabio da Silva's ankle. Yabo, because Lea Fabio da Silva falling, it just looks like ubesevela ewa. It's not like foolproof. It's a matter of interpretation. Whereas Lea contact yaga Hoto on his ankle, it's not a matter of interpretation. You saw it. Yabo. So I think the Chiefs, he was kind of robbed of the penalty. Not kind of, they were robbed of the penalty. But hey man, it's football at the end of the day. Yeah man, but that's it from me. Congratulations to Ezimnyama Ngenkani, a fully deserved win. No one can argue with that. And yeah man, Mamelodi Sundowns is playing tomorrow against Isikhukhune. An exciting game, but yeah man, we pretty much know the result there. But we'll watch the game. Yeah man, that's it from me. It's your boy Nhlathla Nhlakazana Mdima. Make sure you smash that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, do all of those nice things, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Hola.